What's going on, guys? It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, you are going to learn how to create outline text in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. First thing to do is to come down below right here from the layer panel. Make sure you click on here to make a new layer. So having make a new layer, you have to go back to your type tool right here. This time around, you need to click and hold down and make sure you choose your horizontal type tool. So having choose your type tool, then you have to come to the workspace right here. You can choose my font size style here is Roboto and Roboto black. You can come here and make sure and change to Roboto medium. Then you can click on here to change the color and you hit on OK. Now I'm going to come to the workspace now and make a type. So outline. Okay, next thing I'm going to do right here is to go to my pick tools, and next thing I will do right here is make sure I go to edit from the home tab right here. Then from edit, I will make sure I choose my free transform, and from my keyboard right here, I'll press hotkey and drag. This allows me to increase the font size of the type. Okay, so next thing you need to do once you're satisfied with the increment of the text, and then you have to come to the home tab right here and make sure you click on here to approve the transform. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do right here is to make sure I position my text into the center of the page right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to come to the panel right here. Come to the panel right here. At the fill right here, make sure you turn down the fill, that is no fill. So once you turn down the fill, the text is going to be disappear. Then you come back to the text layer and make sure you right click on the text layer. So after right click on this text layer, you have to go to the home tab at top right here. Make sure you choose blending options. So from blending option, you're going to see a window whereby you need to work on the format. So at this point here, make sure you double click on the stroke. So when you double click on the stroke, then you have to come to the color right here and make sure you change the color. So this time around, I'm using white color and I'm hitting on OK. Right here, you can make sure that you add the stroke outside or inside from this point right here. So I'm adding the stroke outside. Then at this point here, you have to come to the opacity, make the opacity 100%, and then you can increase the width or the size of the stroke. This is depends on how you want the stroke to pump out and how you want everything to look. I think I'm good with this. You can turn down the stroke weight. Let me make it 30. So once you're satisfied with everything, next thing you need to do is to hit on OK. Boom. So you're done. So this is how you can add how you can create outline text in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.